What's up, guys? Yet another video of this is a Cane's In-N-Out meet. This is Akuma's meet, Mr. Greg. Thank you, Akuma, for hosting this meet. What's up, guys?
What's up?
We've got the sorry about that, guys. So I'm just going to do a quick view of this mural on this FRS, man. This thing's beautiful. Is this yours? Oh wow, man, really cool, man.
Want the cover on it?
What cover? You have a cover? Oh, look at the seats too. Wow, sexy.
The cover.
Oh, look, it's got a cover. We'd rather have it no cover though, right?
I know, but you know kids.
Oh, that's right. This is a G-rated show, so thank you. What's your name, sir?
Kyle.
Kyle, Chris, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Very nice. What year FRS?
2019.
2019, man. Very nice wrap on this thing, man. Who did the wrap, dude?
Quai Motorsports.
Quai Motorsports, man. Shout out.
California.
In Irvine, California. Shout out to you guys. Very nice, man. Seat covers?
No, those are just jackets. I'm getting seat covers eventually.
Wow, these are just jackets, man. That looks pretty freaking cool. Yeah. Is it like a hoodie that you like wrap in there? That's sweet. Look at that. Rias Memory. What does that mean?
That's your name.
That's your name. Okay. Sorry, guys. I'm not too well with the anime here. Old man, sorry. But really cool, man. Nice pan back of this 2019 FRS. Very nice, man. Quai Motorsports. Thank you.
Of course.
We'll catch you. Just remember, Chris Honda is going to be on my channel tonight. Please subscribe. I need the support. Thanks.
That's what I'll say. I tasted it.
Thank you, Kyle.
Driving.
So we got a bunch of people coming in. I want to walk to In-N-Out.